Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of govedex.com. So govedex.com is basically an online crypto trading platform that provides you with a wide variety of cryptocurrency exchange. As you can see, they have a live chart where you can see the crypto trading, and also it provides you with a lot of benefits, like you can earn the profits and you can even go with even the higher ones. So now let's find out what's actually behind those fancy ads and promises. As you can see, like, this product has a Trustpilot rating of 2.4 out of 5 star, which they have also mentioned here on their official website. But don't fall for this trap. Why? Because it is only based on 2 reviews, and one person has rated it 5 star, which can be someone from this company, and the one has given the 1 star. So in my opinion, this is a really worst possible rating. Apart from that, to further confirm this, I've tried for searching it on the Scam Advisor website, and you can see like it has a worst possible trust score of just 1 out of 100, which raises concerns about its originality, and it is a major red flag. And once I tried to search for their domain name, as you can see, it was registered recently in 2025, which is also a major red flag and raises concern about the legitimacy of this site. So in conclusion, I would say like this site is pretty much a scam, and you should avoid investing money on this platform because they actually will require you to decentralize and enter a few caches and different cryptocurrencies to withdraw your money. So this is pretty much a scam move. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.